Cars for Neighbors helps the working poor of Anoka County. Originally, we repaired cars for people and donated cars. Gave cars to candidates that were given to us. We would go through the car, make sure it was safe, and then donate it to a client. And then also people who have cars, they're on a tight budget, and we would repair them for them. We're based out of Meineke on Highway 65 and Bunker Lake Boulevard. And Meineke offered to give us free rental for office space, so they gave us 2 offices. They pay for all our communications, phones, computer, and then we get a 50% reduction in labor rates at their garage. They inspect the cars for us for free, and then if we want them to, they'll repair the cars. We work with 4 social agencies in Anoka County. So they'll recommend a client, and then we'll take the client and work with them and Meineke to repair their cars. And sometimes they'll go to a different garage, and we'll work with those garages by providing a grant, and some of those garages will even match our grant. So it really makes it beneficial. Carsino Night is a family gambling night with Monopoly money. You might say it's not really Monopoly money, but it's the same thing. And it's a fundraiser for us. It's our premier fundraiser. And then the different gambling tables and family field game. And we have a lot of door prizes, a lot of games where you win actual prizes. We gave away a 55-inch television set. We have wine drawings, gift cards, a lot of stuff like that. It's a lot of fun, and it's a good program for us to help us keep going. We appreciate everybody. We appreciate our sponsors and everybody that helped us with Carsino, for them to step up and help us out and recognize what we do. A while back, we had a lady that was going to nursing school, and we just gave her a van, and she used that van to finish her education and got a job. And when she got back on her feet, she donated the van back to us to help somebody else, and that's how we stayed with it. People are dependent on an automobile for their life, and a lot of them have their children, and they not only work, but they have their social events for the children, school events, sports events. And we have people take whatever mass transit they can take. It takes 2, 3, 4 hours a day of their life to do that. Some have used Uber, but Uber is very restrictive, it's costly, and you can't do a social life afterwards with Uber. So the people who do have cars, we primarily deal with working poor, and they're struggling just to make ends meet. So just to help them with that makes a big difference, makes a big benefit with their lives. The stories we hear from the children and the parents, it's pretty good. It's pretty heartwarming.